Today, we are witnessing some truly amazing ways in which technology is revolutionizing the field of medicine. From robotic-assisted surgeries to artificial intelligence-powered diagnostics, technology is enhancing medical capabilities and transforming patient care in unprecedented ways. One of the most significant advancements in medicine is the development of robotic-assisted surgeries. These surgical robots enable doctors to perform complex procedures with greater precision and control. The use of robotic arms and instruments allows for smaller incisions, resulting in faster recovery times and reduced scarring for patients. Surgeons can operate these robots from a console, controlling their movements with incredible dexterity. The combination of technology and human expertise is leading to improved surgical outcomes and a higher level of patient care. Another area where technology is making a profound impact is in the field of diagnostics. Artificial intelligence (AI) is increasingly being used to analyze medical images such as X-rays and MRIs to detect and diagnose conditions more accurately. AI algorithms can analyze vast amounts of medical data and identify patterns and anomalies that may be missed by human radiologists. This not only saves time but also reduces the likelihood of errors, ultimately leading to earlier and more accurate diagnosis. Moreover, wearable technology is revolutionizing how we monitor and manage our health. Devices such as fitness trackers and smartwatches have become commonplace, enabling individuals to track their activities, heart rate, sleep patterns, and more. These devices also have the potential for early detection of health issues, such as irregular heart rhythms, by continuously monitoring vital signs. This real-time data can be shared with healthcare professionals, allowing for timely intervention and personalized care. In addition to wearable technology, telemedicine has emerged as a game-changer in healthcare delivery. With telemedicine, patients can consult with healthcare professionals remotely, eliminating the need for in-person visits, especially for routine checkups and follow-ups. This is particularly beneficial for patients in remote or rural areas, where healthcare services may be limited. Telemedicine not only provides more convenient access to care but also reduces healthcare costs and saves time for both patients and providers. Another fascinating way technology is transforming medicine is through the development of 3D printing. This innovative technology has the potential to revolutionize organ transplantation. Researchers are exploring the possibility of using 3D printers to create organs, eliminating the need for organ donors and significantly reducing transplant waiting lists. While this technology is still in its early stages, it holds great promise for the future of medicine. Additionally, technology is improving medication management and adherence. Smart pill dispensers and medication reminder apps help patients stay on track with their medication schedule. These devices can send reminders, dispense medications at the right time, and even provide feedback to healthcare providers about medication adherence. This technology is particularly beneficial for patients with chronic conditions who require multiple medications to manage their health. Furthermore, technology is enhancing medical research and innovation. Big data analytics and machine learning algorithms are being used to analyze vast amounts of research data, accelerating the discovery of new treatments and therapies. Researchers can now identify potential drug targets more efficiently, predict treatment outcomes, and personalize medicine based on a patient's genetic profile. This deep integration of technology and research is leading to breakthroughs in disease understanding and the development of targeted treatments. In conclusion, technology is undoubtedly revolutionizing the field of medicine in countless ways. From robotic-assisted surgeries to AI-powered diagnostics, wearable technology to telemedicine, and 3D printing to medication management, the advancements in technology are improving patient care, enhancing medical capabilities, and paving the way for a healthier future. As technology continues to evolve, we can expect even more incredible ways in which it will transform the field of medicine and improve the lives of patients worldwide.